Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a couple sitting together after 50 years of marriage. Their hair has turned gray. Their hands have wrinkles, but their eyes still shine with love. People ask them, "What is your secret?" They smile and say, "We chose each other every single day." Because love is not just about finding the right person. It is about choosing them, even when life gets tough. What if I told you? There is a secret that can make your relationship stronger, happier, and full of love. But how do you keep love strong? How do you make sure your relationship does not fade with time? Think about it. At the beginning of a marriage, everything feels exciting. There is love, there is laughter, there is happiness, but then something changes, the excitement fades. Small fights turn into big arguments. You and your partner start feeling more like roommates than lovers. Has this ever happened to you? If yes, you are not alone, and the worst part, most people do not even realize it is happening. But here is the good news. You are going to learn 7 powerful secrets that will help you build a relationship that lasts a lifetime. And while you discover these powerful secrets, you will also improve your English. I will teach you new words, useful phrases, and expressions that will help you express emotions clearly, communicate better, and grow in confidence. So, if you want a stronger marriage and better English, stay till the end because every second of this video will change your life. The first secret, appreciation is everything. Imagine this. A husband comes home after a long, tiring day. He is exhausted. He feels drained. He opens the door, and instead of a warm welcome, his wife says, "You forgot to take out the trash this morning." At that moment, he feels unappreciated. Now, imagine another version of the same moment. He opens the door and his wife smiles and says, "I know you had a long day. Thank you for working so hard for our family." How do you think he feels now? Appreciation is like magic in a relationship. A simple thank you can make your partner feel loved, valued, and respected, but when appreciation disappears, love slowly fades away. So, here is your first challenge every day. Find one small thing to appreciate about your partner. It could be their kindness, their effort, or even the way they make you smile. And here is your English lesson. Practice saying, "I appreciate you for," and complete the sentence. For example, 1. I appreciate you for always supporting me. 2. I appreciate you for making me smile. Now, try it yourself. Say it out loud. This simple habit can change your relationship forever. The second secret, communication is more than just talking. Have you ever said something, but your partner understood it differently? Or maybe you felt hurt by their words, even though they did not mean it that way. This is because communication is not just words. It is how you say it. It is when you say it, and most importantly, it is how you make the other person feel. Many couples talk, but they do not truly communicate. They listen, but they do not understand. Here is a golden rule. Do not listen to reply. Listen to understand instead of saying, "You never listen to me." Try saying, "I feel unheard, can we talk?" Instead of saying, "You're always busy." Say, "I miss spending time with you. Can we plan something together?" See the difference. Small changes in words can change the whole conversation. Now, here is your English challenge. Practice these phrases and use them in your daily life. 1. I feel unheard, can we talk? 2. I appreciate you for. 3. Can we find a solution together? Because a happy relationship is built on understanding, not just words. The third secret, love is in the small things. Think about this. A husband buys expensive gifts for his wife, but he never spends time with her. A wife cooks delicious meals, but she never says, "I love you." Over time, they both feel something is missing. Why? Because love is not just about big gestures. It is about small, daily actions. 1. A simple good morning with a smile. 2. A gentle touch on the shoulder while passing by. 3. A random "I was thinking about you today." These small things might seem unimportant, but they create a deep emotional connection. Here is your relationship challenge today. Do one small act of love for your partner. It could be a kind word, a hug, or even a simple message. And here is your English practice. Repeat these sentences out loud. 1. I appreciate you for. 2. I was thinking about you today. 3. You mean so much to me. These words do not cost anything, but they can make a huge difference. The fourth secret: never stop learning about each other. Here is a hard truth. Most couples stop learning about each other after marriage. They assume they already know everything about their partner, but people change. Their dreams, their fears, their likes, and dislikes evolve over time. Imagine this. A husband and wife sit at the dinner table. They talk about the kids, the bills, and work, but never about each other. Slowly, they become strangers living in the same house. Do not let this happen. Here is your challenge. 1. Ask your partner one new question today. What is something you have always wanted to do? What has been making you happy lately? Is there something you wish I understood better about you? And here is your English practice. Repeat these questions out loud and try to use them in real life. A successful marriage is like a book. You should never stop reading each new page. The fifth secret: fighting the right way. Let us be honest. Every couple argues. Even the happiest marriages have disagreements. But the difference between a strong relationship and a broken one is how they argue. Imagine this. A husband and wife start arguing. At first, it is about something small, maybe forgetting to call, being late, or leaving the dishes in the sink. But suddenly, the argument explodes. They start bringing up old mistakes. They use hurtful words that they can never take back. They attack each other instead of solving the problem. At the end of the fight, nothing is fixed. They are just hurt and distant. Now, let us change the story. A husband and wife still argue, but they fight the right way. 1. They focus on the problem, not the person. Instead of saying, "You never help me," they say, "I feel overwhelmed. Can you help me more?" 2. They never bring up the past. What is done is done. They focus on fixing today. 3. They take a break if emotions get too high. It is okay to say, "Let us take a moment and talk," when we are calm. Here is your challenge. The next time you feel upset, pause and ask yourself: 1. Am I attacking the problem or attacking my partner? 2. Am I listening to understand, or am I just trying to win? 3. Am I speaking with love even when I am angry? And here is your English challenge. Practice these sentences to improve your communication. 1. I feel hurt when. 2. Can we find a solution together? 3. I want to understand your side. Because a strong marriage is not about never arguing, it is about arguing with love. The sixth secret: keep the spark alive. Think about the beginning of a relationship. Everything feels exciting. You look at your partner and feel butterflies in your stomach. You want to talk for hours, go on dates, and surprise each other. But over time, something changes. Life gets busy, routine takes over. Work, kids, responsibilities. Slowly, romance starts to fade. Many couples say, "We love each other, but it does not feel the same." But here is the truth. Love does not disappear. It just needs attention. 1. Date nights should never stop. Even if you are busy, set time aside just for each other. 2. Surprise each other. A small note, an unexpected compliment, or even just bringing their favorite snack home. 3. Keep flirting. Just because you are married does not mean you should stop making each other feel special. A relationship is like a fire. If you stop adding wood, it will burn out. So here is your challenge. 1. Plan a small surprise for your partner this week. 2. Send them a message today, thinking about you. 3. Look at them with the same love you had on day 1. And for your English practice, repeat these sentences. 1. I love how you make me feel. 2. I am grateful for you every day. 3. You're still my favorite person. Because love does not fade, it only fades if we stop nurturing it.